question. So here p-type silicon, okay, so it is going to get doped. Dope means for adding impurity. Once again, just repeat, no problem, you can just make a divine. So it's having a range from 10 power 14 to 10 power 17. A device area, you know that the area, that means singular form of a 1 cross 1 centimeter cross 1, so that means that it is like a square, okay, because both sides are equal, right? So you can consider it as a square, not consider, you can declare it as a square, okay. So now they asked about minimum possibilities, number of minority electrons, so that's about n, okay, that you have to find that in the neutral p-type region. In the p-type region, how many electrons are available, meaning minority electrons, that's what they are saying, okay. So let me go for the solution, it's going to be very easier. So the minimum concentration, so what I'm telling means the minimum concentration, and the short form of concentration is CONC, okay, of minority carriers, that's right, of minority carriers, which is given by small n is equal to Ni square, okay, Ni square divided by capital Na. You know this formula, is it right? So the formula small Ni square, I think you just know very clearly about this one. This is the value, it is given already in the question. Sometimes this value may not be given, okay. So at 300 Kelvin, it is the value. So I can write 1.5 into 10 to the power 10 the whole square, okay, and divided by Na. Na the given is it right? Na it is about 10 power 17 is available, so it is the highest range you just take, okay. So no need to take 10 power 14, 10 power 13 just take, no problem. So it is equal to, in terms of the centimeter, you can have 2250 centimeter cube per centimeter cube. If you want to convert it to meter means I can write 2.25 into 10 to the power 9 per meter cube. Okay, that's simple change of that. Okay. So now I just write the formula for volume. Volume is equal to A into T rho. Okay. So here area. You know the area, right? Area 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So just convert into meter. You know meter, etc. Centimeter to meter means what? You have to multiply by. So centimeter to meter means you have to multiply by 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2 means 0.01. Okay, so I just write 0.01 into one more time 0.0. Area 2 thing is it right? 0.01 into what is T? T is available here as 200 mu. Is it right? 200 mu T is equal to, so 200 into 10 to the power minus 6. No need of conversion because everything is in meter. Okay. So that is equal to how much? 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 per meter cube. That's given as minus. Okay. So final question, they have asked the minimum possible. So I can write the minimum possible. Okay, the minimum possible number of minority electrons. So minimum possible number of minority electrons. I can give you the formula of capital N is equal to small n into volume. So when small n is equal to 2.25 because it is available. Small n is equal to 2.25, is it right? 2.25 to 10 power 9 into volume, just now I found out, is it right? So this 2 into 10 power 8. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. Okay. So that if it is 5 means, if we just get it means it will be around 45. Okay, because we just find 10, 2.25 into 4.5. So this 9 and external 10 will have been 4.5 into 10, it is 45. Okay, that's all. So the answer is exactly 45. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any doubts, come in the comment box.